In this video, I'm going to show you how to create cartoon videos in Google Veo 3. So first of all, I will simply open up my Google web browser and search for deepmind.google. This is the official website for Google Veo 3 and you will be able to create an account by using your Google account. So first, what is Google Veo 3? Google Veo 3 is a state-of-the-art technology which produces videos generated by AI including audio effects, for example, conversations and dialogue, by simply creating them using a text. You can easily create AI-based videos by using a text which you use as a prompt. So, yes, creating cartoon characters and animation is totally possible by using Google Veo 3. So first, on this website, what you have to do is that you very simply have to click on Try in Flow. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to the Flow website. In Flow website, you will be able to create your account by using your Google account. So you have to click on Create with Flow and then sign in using your Google account. Once you are done signing in, you will be redirected to this interface, which is the main screen or the main interface of your Google Veo 3. Basically, this is actually labs.google.com, but the Google Veo 3 is integrated into this website. So over here, to generate, you must be a Google AI subscriber. To be a Google AI subscriber, you very simply have to click on subscribe and you will be redirected to this interface. As you can see, in Pakistan, it costs around 5,600 rupees, which is equivalent to $19.99. So, it is a very good deal if you want to create all kinds of video by using Google Veo 3. So, you very simply have to click on Get Google AI Pro and you will be able to subscribe to Google AI Pro to access the new AI filmmaking tools and more. Additionally, you will get 1000 monthly AI credits which will allow you to create videos, as credits are must if you want to create videos using Google Veo 3. So once your subscription is all set, you will receive these 1000 monthly AI credits. With these credits, you will be able to create videos. So now, back on my Flow website main interface, I will simply click on my profile icon which is present right over here, and as you can see, I don't have any AI credits, which means that I won't be able to generate any AI video, but still I can easily guide you through as this website allows you to look around in the meantime. So once you're ready to create your cartoon video, you have to click on New Project. In New Project, you will be redirected to this page. In this page, you have to type in the prompt to start creating your video. But you should know that there are multiple ways to create your video. You can get a video by using text, or if you simply click on this panel, you can also create a video by using frames. But for now, I will simply use text to video. One more thing that you should be aware of is the model that you're using. So you have to click on the settings and you will be able to view the model which you're using. If you have upgraded to the premium version or the pro version, you will be able to use Veo 3 and Veo 2 quality. There are two types of model in Veo 2 and Veo 3. The Veo 2 fast, the Veo 2 quality, and the Veo 3 fast, Veo 3 quality. Veo 3 fast offers high FPS than the quality, which will offer you more smoothness in your video. But on the other hand, if you will go for the quality, it will offer you low FPS, but your quality will be HD quality. So same is the case with Veo 2 and Veo 3. But the main point is that if you want audio in your video, for example, you want to add dialogues which you will be able to add in your video by entering the prompt, you should be using the Veo 3 fast or the Veo 3 quality, as Veo 2 does not support the audio function at all. So you very simply have to select the Veo 3 fast text to video beta audio version. But for that, as you guys now know, you will have to upgrade your version. So once you have selected the Veo 3 fast, you have to come back and make sure that the outputs per prompt is selected at 1, because you don't want to create a mess on your timeline. So once you're done with this setting, you should now know a few things that you should be aware of while writing the prompt. First, the prompt should be very specific and clear, as leaving out some details will surely create a video that's not what you were anticipating. You need to specify your subject, the main character that is involved, his, her gender, clothing, features, and everything that comes to your mind. You should add it in your prompt. The background details should be specified as well to get what you want. For example, if there's crowd in the background, if it's raining or etc, you should add a specified prompt for the AI to work according to your needs. Only then you will be able to get your desired results. Additionally, an important aspect that you should know is that adding dialogues is now possible in Veo 3. So if you want to add a dialogue, you must enter it in the prompt. Like for example, if you want your main character to say hello to another person, you must enter that detail that for example, the main character says hello to another person. If you will write that in this manner in your prompt, only then the video that will be generated is going to be according to your needs. So now let's generate a prompt. Now as you can see, I have created a prompt which is simple but easy to understand. I wrote that generate a prince walking in a crowded city. The animation should be cartoon based. The prince is tall, male, wearing royal clothes. The crowded city has markets and people shopping. So first of all, as you can see, I generated a prince image in the mind of our AI. Next, the most important aspect is the animation style you want. So as you can see, I specified the animation style that it should be cartoon based, because if you won't specify it, the AI will assume things and start making a video in its own manner. So you should always keep this in mind, that specify each and every detail if you want to get your desired results. So now once you're done with the script, you very simply have to click on next and you will be able to start the process to generate your AI video. As I don't have the subscription, I won't be able to create that, but still, let's keep going. Now, once your video is created, it will be present right over here in your timeline. So allow me to tell you how awesome creating cartoons with Veo 3 can be. Once your clip is generated using Veo 3, it will create a timeline for you in front of you. On that timeline, you will see your created clip. Right beside your clip, you will see an plus icon. So click on it and you will be able to jump to another scene that you can create or extend the already made video. So you can click on the extend and then write another prompt describing what may happen next in your cartoon. Keep on repeating this process and you will be able to create a whole movie like scene in a cartoon manner. So everyone, you can follow these steps and create your desired cartoons, add characters and do much more. Whether it's creating high quality videos or having literal conversation between your characters of cartoon, this software can do it all. So that's how you can create cartoon videos by using the Google Veo 3. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. If you guys have any sort of questions, you can very simply ask them in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe.